Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Deki spangut ki kena skul jeng skul paper ki badan hapok jeli jong ka Riboy district kila yok jeng mentoy leng ba first district level youth exchange program ya ka bala pelong da ka office jong u district sport officer ka Riboy district ha ka sien ka baningkong ka bala kutno ha ka santrik banai nailar arajar kat kendai ha ka ni ka lempong la bo ka phangi tai ka ba ong say no to drugs ong aim ya u drugs ki skul ki balawan banishimata ha ka ni district level youth exchange ki kenthop ya ka Saint Paul High Secondary School, ka Minken Christian High Secondary School, Riboy College, ka Don Bosco High Secondary School, ka Nehru Memorial High Secondary School, Nongtulu High Secondary School, ka Christian High Secondary School, Saint Michael High Secondary School, ka NYKS Nongpo, bat ka Ferrando High Secondary School. Hagani gelempong na sakhi ya ka jingi simenta Shetham jong ki spangut ki samla ki balai pen ki sap ki phong ban sha jet na ka benta ban yo lek mi khmat pan sha ka state level youth exchange program arajar kat handai ka ban salong shen hanong ba shillong u director jong ka Don Bosco youth center shillong u reverend father Michael Makri u bolong ru khot jong nat sports and youth affairs bala thung da sarkar jila dangshen ula ai ka jingkran ka kerpang sha ki samla lor ka phang media and youth hagni ka program la pelong ru ya ke jinga ko paper ki bakan thop na do ka extempore speech ka quiz competition ka folk song competition ka flute and guitar competition ka talent show bat ki we ki jinga ko ha ka ba ki samla ki la pen pawru ya ki sap ki phong jongki lingba ki ni ki jinga ko la pen hak perdapat ini program da u district school education officer ba VS Nongben ubralong u kongsan ha ka jingan lang dau ba PM Marbanyang district sports officer ka kong Rida Lendem program coordinator uba Arman Chang DYC ka NYKS lembat kiwe ki repa khmat ka thanong po
Let's try. I love it when you come in, señorita, always a good time. I need you,
Thank to the principal of the school for their kind enough to allow their children to take part in this special program. And also to you, my dear students, and also to the resource person who have come here to see, to judge the ability, the performance of the student. So I am very happy to see that this program, it is the first in the district. And at the same time, I think you have benefited a lot in the morning session regarding the meaning of the youth. So youth actually, according to my, according to my experience in my life, so it is the first stage that our brain try to acquire a lot of learning. And at the same time, it is the time that every youth, they want to have an adventure in life. And it is the time that every youth, they want to explore the unknown thing. And at the same time, it is the time that the youth, they have this, very excitement. And they want to expose their talent and idea. But in all these things, remember, we need a proper guidance in order to follow, in order to move forward in the right direction.
Pangidang dan nakapit
Ban bek hakini kisi Ikun ben riu syae Syandukan lam yangi Jings liu haru kong kimi Jiatip lem ladu Aku berukam nusyu Aku burung lanang yadon Kebarang yakis nikipon Liupa mentara Jinya pagi apra Sandugin ka lawengin syemanta.
Once a subject has been chosen, the color of the fonts will turn into blue, so you cannot choose that subject again. Once you choose blue, so you cannot choose the history again. You choose another subject. We'll start with team A. You have 5 seconds to choose. For 10 points, here's a question. Who is the present Finance Minister of India? V.T. Mantri. No. Team, you have 5 seconds to choose. Mobile technology. Okay, here's your question. The latest Android operating system used in mobile phone is called Android 9.0 or Android P. What does P stand for? Correct. 10 points for team C. 10 points for team C. Who was the first spinner to bowl the opening over of an ICC Cricket World Cup?
Imran Tahir.
Correct. 10 points for team. 10 points for team D.
History.
History. History. Under the British rule, who was the first Viceroy of India? First Viceroy of India.
Lord Canning.
Correct. 10 points for team E. It's Lord Canning.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ